Good morning, everybody. Now I'd like to discuss a topic on LabVIEW, which is a part of virtual instrumentation course for BTech Electronics and Instrumentation. That is called as Basics of LabVIEW. It's BA Programming Techniques. So how you can do a programming in virtual instrumentation platform, which is laboratory virtual instrumentation for engineers workbench. So here, this workbench has all the tools necessary for acquire, analyze and troubleshoot the data that is required for doing a programming in LabVIEW. Basically, it is having two things. One is front panel and the other one is the block diagram. In front panel, it is one of the two windows that appear when a blank VI is opened. So here you could see all the controls, that is the input given by the user. And coming to the block diagram, we have basic nodes or the functions that is to be implemented. Of course, we do see the indicators on front panel, whereas in block diagram we will see all the functions, nodes, etc., which is required for the programming. So block diagram, which is nothing but the graphical source code. And front panel, that is an object appeared as a terminal for user. Basically, LabVIEW follows this data flow programming, which is not from top to bottom or from left to right. Wherever the data is required or available for a given node, then it executes. That's how the programming flows in LabVIEW. It is also called as G programming, that is called as graphical programming. Here there is no code or no syntax, just a graphical controls and indicators are available on the platform, so that can be dragged out and can be done with the help of the available panels. So basically, LabVIEW programs or subroutines are called as virtual instruments, which is having the front panel, block diagram and connecting pin. So here there is small introduction about the code of how you do this LabVIEW. This is an National Instruments LabVIEW program. Now you could see I am opening the software, which would understand the basics of programming techniques or tools in laboratory virtual instrumentation workbench. So this is LabVIEW 2014. Virtual instrumentation is nothing but the integration of the instruments that are used in real-time applications to the computer, so that the controlling of the various applications can be done over PC. So now this is the basics of LabVIEW, so I could just explain you how the basic program can be done with the help of LabVIEW software. Of course, this virtual instrumentation concept can be done in various other platforms, like rather than this LabVIEW, LabSource or external LabVIEW softwares. So here comes the welcome page for LabVIEW 2014. You can go to this file, new VI. So you could see here block diagram and front panel. You go to Control T, then you could see both block diagram and front panel parallelly. So right click on the block diagram, you could see the function palette where you have various functions. Then select a simple function called add. Then right click, you could see the two input terminals and one output terminal. Right click on the input terminal and create control, which is called as an input. And on the other one, similarly, is right click on the other terminal of the function node and create one more control. Thereby you have seen the two controls. And parallelly on the output side, you have to create an indicator. This is a simple program to add two numbers using LabVIEW, which is a graphical programming language. These are the wires that are connecting from the terminals, that is called as inputs, to the node. And you could see the output is also connected to the output terminal of the node. And similarly, if at all you see on the front panel the two things, that is 1 and 2, these two are the inputs. If at all I go to this display, then you see the answer in y2, that is 2 plus 1 is 3. That's all how programming works. Thank you.